Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Green Daffodil Seed in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically the Daffodil Seed is one of the seeds from the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So it's only available during the event. When the event is over, the seed will also gone. And if you want to unlock the Green Daffodil Seed, first make sure you have already unlocked flower crossbreeding and obtained Black Daffodil and Peach Daffodil seeds. These are both 3-star flowers and are required before you can get the next tier. And then plant your Black and Peach Daffodils next to each other in your garden, like this. Once they're fully grown, do not harvest them. Instead, keep watering them every day. You can also ask up to 5 friends to water your flowers to increase your crossbreeding chance. And rainbow powder is another great way to boost the breeding process. After the daily reset, check your flower for a floating seeds above one of the parent flowers, like this, and collect the seed and plant it. Since Black and Peach are both 3-star flowers, the new seed has a chance to become a 4-star green daffodil. Keep trying if you don't get it on your first attempt because crossbreeding is based on a chance. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Green Daffodil Seed in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!